Okay, just very briefly, good morning, good afternoon to Zambia, everyone. Thank you. I'm very honored to be with you and to share uh, our experience, to show you what we are doing, and perhaps to find common links together with Zambian partners and Polish partners to collaborate further. Can you please move my slide further? Thank you very much. We are located here. I don't want to say too much about our institute because probably my director, Oleszek, will do it later. So just please move later on. Yeah, some slides. We are quite old institute, but I'd like to say something about research we are doing, so maybe later. I don't want to take your time too much. This is our program. Later on, please. I didn't know what I couldn't access that. Please later.
Yes,
move
please
on.
tell me which
Yeah,
one.
this is the part which I want to speak just a little bit. So we are a public institute which is governed, which is actually led, supervised by Ministry of Agriculture in Poland. And I see some connections with some institutes in Zambia as well, which are governmental. We have experimental stations, about 6,000 hectares in total, where we are conducting experiments also focused on climate smart agriculture. So we are dealing with conservation agriculture, with different type of adaptations, innovations, which give us knowledge, expertise. I guess, I hope this can be helpful in our future collaboration. Please move on to the next slide. This is an example of one of the projects which we had as a national project in collaboration with fertilizers company SZA Group here in Puławy. And the purpose of the project was to establish recommendations for agriculture in the context of climate change. So to mitigate carbon in the soil and also to adapt to climate change. Please move on. This is example of our quite sophisticated drought monitoring system for Poland. We are a leader in that in our country, and using soil information, using information from weather stations, almost actually all stations are almost 1,700 weather stations. We do collect it together, and we do nice drought risk using climatic water balance indicators. And in the future, it would be also used as apps for farmers. We already collaborating with Ministry of Agriculture since several years. This indicator is used for assessing drought situation in Poland for farmers, and farmer can get money based on our indicators. Please move to the next slide. I just want to briefly present, we have many projects, European projects within the biggest research program in European Union, Horizon 2020. And this is very broad. The topics cover mixed farming, innovative agriculture, precision agriculture, bioeconomy, wastes, and so on, and sociology as well. So we are prepared for collaboration in many topics, giving you ideas about problems. Please move to the next slide. This is one of the topic, one of the system which I want to focus. We are collaborating also with agroforestry experts. Agroforestry in Africa is very important system. So, just a moment. I think based on our experience here and my colleagues in Europe, we can also give you some knowledge, and we're ready to collaborate, to be happy, to follow the problems, the solutions you are dealing with also with this system. And please change the slide. Regarding agroforestry, again, I'm leading this section in Poland. We are connected as a group of experts in European Agroforestry Federation, which is also connected to World Agroforestry Center with different divisions in Africa as well. So I hope this is a good idea for further collaboration. If you have questions, of course, I'm ready to collaborate. And just the last slides, please change. Just some examples what we are doing with statistical analysis, spatial analysis. We're modeling biomass wastes for all the Europe within the different projects. We're modeling biomass, so we have access to databases, we have expertise how to process spatial information, and we can make nice maps here. Please change the slide. And also we are collaborating with different European institutions, European commissions and others in preparing a soil strategy, in preparing different papers which are important for stakeholders, for policymakers here in Europe, but also at world level, I guess. And the last slides, please change to the next one. And that's all from my side. Thank you very much. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much, Mr. Robert. You are an expert in this question. So please, if someone has some question or needs some help with these products, with this kind of production, and with pilot farms, so please contact with Mr. Robert Borek or with us. We'll be happy to help in this. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.